I'm sorry.
I like to share this
that
video
I have
to you
say
guys.
this out loud, but it's the damnest truth. When you're dealing with people who only can think along the lines of the language of the poor, they sound like this. Oh my God, life is so hard. What's so hard about it? Oh, financially, it's just so hard to survive. Yeah, I hear you. What exactly is hard to survive? Well, I don't get paid enough. I don't have enough money to spend. I don't have this. I don't have that. Every time you talk to them, it is a total drain. It's a psychological drain. And here's the thing. A lot of these people that have nothing, they're takers. Not only do they have nothing, they also are takers. They'll take. Because they have nothing, they will take from you. They'll take money, they'll take time, they'll take pity, they'll take effort, they'll take your energy. They're like psychic vampires.
And the reason why they keep on taking is because naging entitled na sila doon sa tulong na dapat nilang ma-receive kasi nga mahina sila. Inferiority complex. Ayaw nilang umalis doon sa pagiging mahina kasi nga nakaka-receive sila ng something sa ibang tao na hindi nila kayang i-produce sa sarili nila. At ayaw nilang umalis doon kasi nga, bakit ako aalis? E binibigay sa akin na libre yung mga bagay na kinukuha ko sa ibang tao.
They want to drag you into that sob story. So what happens if you're friends with people that speak like this? You eventually become their emotional crutch.
Yeah.
We've all experienced this. We might have been that person at some point in our lives. At some point you realize that's not a way to be. It's not right. It's not right. What you're doing to people is not right. In Chinese, we call it emotional trauma dumping, like trash, right? You're dumping your trauma trash onto someone else. And that's what a lot of these people do. They think that everyone they talk to is their therapist, and they feel fully entitled to take time from your day, take your positive energy, bring you down.
Yeah.
Because listen here, energy is passed around. When you hang around with people that talk like that, they have a lack of abundance. All they can think about is how they have it the worst. God forbid you try to get a little sympathy. Nah, they need all the attention. They're going to say, well, no, your problems, minimize. My problems, they're the worst.
Well, ginawa kasi nilang identity yung pagiging mahina or mahirap nila. 'Di ba? Pag tinanggal mo yun sa kanila, wala sila eh. Wala silang ibang pwedeng ma-share sa'yo kundi yung kahinaan nila, kundi yung kamalasan nila sa buhay, kundi yung pagiging kaawa-awa ng kalagayan nila. Aside from that, wala nang exciting sa kanila, walang maganda sa kanila, walang nakaka-attract sa kanila, lahat wala. And usually yung na-attract dyan, yung mga pa-Prince Charming na type. 'Di ba? Yung mga gustong iligtas yung mga taong or pa-damsel in distress type na tao. 'Di ba? So, delikadong dumikit sa ganyang klaseng tao. I-drain ka nila up to the point na pag wala ka nang maibigay, ikaw na yung masama.
It's almost like they get a cookie or some sort of star for being the biggest loser. It's really weird. And you know the weirdest thing is too, when you're dealing with this type of person, they can say all the worst things about themselves. I'm ugly, I'm uneducated, I don't have the resources, I don't know anything. But if you said that to them, you're ugly, you're under-resourced, you don't have a lot of intelligence, that's why you're not successful. If you dared mirrored what they just said to you about why they're in a bad situation, they get hella offended. That is the funniest shit ever.
I
Like, they
agree.
can say the most fucked up shit about themselves. Like, I'm ugly. That's why I can't get any girls. I'm short. That's why nobody likes me. You know, I'm just not interesting enough. I don't know. And then God forbid you tell them, yeah, you're short and you're ugly. They'd be like, oh my God, that's the meanest thing ever. It's like so weird.
Kasi kaya sila lang yung pwedeng magsabi nun is ang gusto kasi nilang mangyari, yung taong makakarinig nun is kontrahin yung mga sinasabi nilang masama for them to feel good about themselves. Because they themselves cannot make themselves feel good because alam nila yung katotohanan eh. Yung katotohanan na yun, binibigay nila sa'yo para baliktarin mo, para mag-feel good sila sa mga sarili nila. Ngayon, pag ni-reinforce mo yung sinabi nila, oo nga, mahina ka. 'Di ba? You need to work out yourself. Magagalit sila. Kasi, hindi mo ako naiintindihan. Your privilege. Kung ano-anong mga pa-woke excuses na sasabihin nila. Kasi nga, ayaw nilang harapin or ayaw nilang ma-realize ng ibang tao na, well, kung ano, may point yung sinasabi mo. And then, pag nag-agree ako sa'yo, ano nang pwede mong gawin? Mapupunta na yung responsibilidad ng pagbabago doon sa kanila. Diba?
This is Pinoy Extreme.